Let's unbox the Spigen Classic Shuffle Case for AirPods Pro 2 2nd Gen. This is a unique looking case. It has this design of the old iPod Classic, and here it clearly says this button features on the case are non-functional. These buttons are just for appearance. It also has one carabiner. The case color is charcoal. Okay, behind we have this information. It's Spigen ink from California, made in South Korea. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. We have this case here, the bottom part and the top part, along with this carabiner. Alright, so let's first look at the case. So let me say the color is fantastic. I like this charcoal color, it's really good. And the material is nice. It has this rubber filling, and we have precise cutouts for the AirPods. And this button is fake, as you know, this is just for show. And we have cutouts here for the LED indicator. So this button is for the pairing button, to press the pairing button on the AirPods. Okay, inside we have some writings here which says Spigen Ink, Irvine, California, and made in South Korea. Now let's have a look at the other part of the case. We have the Spigen symbol here, and this is the fake button, and we do have the sticker. We need to peel this off while applying this case on the AirPods Pro. It's time to put the AirPods Pro case inside this. Here I have my AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. Alright, so let me first put the bottom part. Okay, so let's check if the indicator light appears from this hole. Alright, so we can see the light. Fine. Behind we can see the cutouts, and what I notice is there is a little bit of unevenness. You can see the speaker grill is bit on the top where we have more space at the bottom, and it's similar way over here as well. It's still fine. The cutouts are not so precise, but it's okay. Now it's time to apply the top part. We need to peel this off, and we have a sticker here. So basically what we need to do is push it inside and apply some pressure on the top so the sticker applies evenly inside. Right, so this should do. Let me check this. It's not coming out. It's fine. Right, so this is how the case appears after installing on the AirPods Pro. It looks fantastic. It is a bit heavy, it's a bit bulky. However, your AirPod case is safe. That's all it matters. Now let's apply this carabiner. Okay, let me open this up. They have provided additional sticker. This is for applying the top case in case if the other sticker is worn out. So here they have mentioned if the adhesive strength is weakened, you can use this tape. Let's apply the carabiner on this case. As simple as that. And the design, it looks premium. You can see there's a Spigen symbol here, and it matches this color. You can see it's kind of a matte polished black, really good. This carabiner hook is quite useful. You can easily hang it on your pants loop while traveling, and it's indeed convenient. Looks premium, and you can see the cutout for lanyard hook is precise. And let me try open this up. Okay. Great. Alright, so let's do a quick drop test. I'm dropping this from a height of 3 feet. Alright, you can see one of the AirPods have come out. Alright, so now I'm going to drop it from this angle. Okay, so this time the case didn't open up, it's intact. Right now I'm gonna drop it from this angle. Let's see how it goes. Perfect, the case didn't open up even this time. Now talking about price, this case is available in Amazon for 1,199 rupees. This price varies, depends upon the deals on Amazon. Final thoughts. I love this unique design of this AirPods Pro 2 case. It brings back memory of the early generation of the iPod Classic. As I mentioned earlier, case is bulky. If you are putting this case inside a jeans pocket, it may be a bit uncomfortable, but it does protects your AirPod. That's all it matters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this case in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.